And Nella is now trying to make a snow angel.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Right guys, welcome to today's vlog. It's Wednesday and the weather is absolutely brutal. This beast from the east has come in hard overnight to where we are in Mosley. I've just nipped out with Mason because we needed to go and pick up the kids' outfits for tomorrow, and we're currently caught in like a snowstorm at the top of the hills. Check this out. This is just relentless. Look at it. It's just brutal. In fact, I think we're gonna have to turn around and go the other way because it's that bad. It really is. So this morning the kids got up early, they went outside and they decided they wanted to go and play in the snow first thing in the morning.
So we've come outside and we're gonna make a snowman, and then we're gonna put petals on it, and then leave it outside until it like
we're gonna probably
dies.
make like 1,000 because that's how much snow we have here.
Yeah. Ooh, a little fell. It's not really much snow, but
It looks like it, but
it's plenty.
it's plenty to make enough snowmen.
Well, it's still snowing now.
Yeah, so we're probably gonna get more. And we're not in school, so that's why we're doing it.
Eyes. We're not in school because me and Imogen were at the bus stop since 7:15, and the bus didn't come once. So we came home. Dave tried to get the car out, which didn't work, and then yeah, we just didn't have to go to school.
And then we're just making snowman now.
What? So we're outside. I don't know if you can see me, but yeah, you might be asking why I look like a weirdo. I've got my scarf around my head because I just thought it'd be warm. Got my nightie on, got my coat on, got my comfy pyjamas on, and I had my gloves, but Portia's using them at the moment because they don't get wet and they're warm. But at the moment they were trying to make a snowman, but this isn't like sticky snow like it would be to build a snowman. What are you doing, Nella? You're trying to scoot.
I can't walk it.
I know, because it's in the snow and it won't be able to scoot in the snow. Or move, if that's how you say it. And then Portia's just trying to build snowmans, but it's really not working. And then Eva's doing what she's doing, what she always does.
She knows best.
Eva's doing what she knows best. And then Mason's just controlling the lead, you know, because that's what Mason does. And then Nella is now trying to make a snow angel. Don't get too cold. Oh, you've made a snow angel, look. So this is Nella's snow angel and she's just kneeling in it because that's what she does best.
Wait, do it again, lie down.
No, because she's going to get cold. Nelly, stand up. You're going to get cold, please. Yeah. So Portia's got a big snowball, which I'm going to throw in her face later. Jokes. These are all down here. Oh God, I just nearly fell. You know what, I'm not even joking, I fell about 500 times there because I don't know where the I don't know where the pavements are, so I keep falling over the pavements, so it just looks stupid. I don't know whether this looks zoomed in. I don't know. I don't know.
Do it again.
Does it look zoomed in? Oh, I don't even know. I'm gonna get out the sun. The sun's shining and I don't know why exactly. It don't really look focused. Does it ever look focused? Right, we're gonna put it back where it was. There, I think it was. So we're just doing what we do best. Keeping company. Oh, you cold? So Portia's going in, she's cold, she's freezing. As we will be going in soon if we do get cold, which I'm not. And I don't know where Nellie's just gone. Nellie's there. Just on her own, just keeping herself company and playing with the snow. Well, we'll probably see you inside, or if not, then we'll just show you just these for a bit.
I was high above the stars when I was with you. Lost on by all the things that we used to do. Oh, we can reach any higher. Not me, you desire can go any further. We've done this for too long. We both know it's so wrong. We just keep on keeping on, keep on keeping on. Tales of a broken heart, echoes in my mind, echoes in my mind. Tales of a broken heart, it goes round and round, it goes round and round. Tales of a broken heart, it goes round and round, it goes round and round. You had a sudden change of mind, then I had one too. Oh, we played it all back and forth till we broke into. We can reach any higher. Not me, you desire can go any further. We've done this for too long. We both know it's so wrong. We just keep on keeping on, keep on keeping on. Tales of a broken heart, echoes in my mind, echoes in my mind. Tales of a broken heart, it goes round and round, it goes round and round. Tales of a broken heart, it goes round and round, it goes round and round. Tales of a broken heart. Tales of a broken heart. It goes round and round.
Well guys, day 3 of being off work. Cause it's snowing, guys. What is it there? Why are you standing there smiling at me? No. Yeah, I'm just so bored of being off work. I'm making my dinner. I was meant to have at work for my dinner now because I made pasta last night to make at work. But yeah. So looking forward to seeing our kids at work. Missed them all. It's really emotional. So yeah guys, that's my life story for today.
Right guys, so as you've seen, the kids weren't in school today because the weather was that bad. So that's the reason why they weren't in school today. Hopefully the roads will be cleared tomorrow and they'll be able to get out. But judging by things outside at the minute, that won't be happening at all because it's still coming down really heavy. So we've just done a live. If you didn't see the live, it's coming up here at the end of the video. It's pretty cool actually tonight. I think we peaked at around 25 people online at once, which is pretty cool for us because we normally get around 14, 15, so it's really good. And the subs have also gone up slightly as well, so we're nearly on 2,100. They seem to keep going up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down like a yo-yo, but still it is growing, which is a major plus for us. It really is. I've just finished printing off a Buddha Yoda, which I'll show you tomorrow because I haven't cleaned it up properly yet. But basically it's Buddha, but it's got a Yoda head on it and it's Yoda's body sat in the Buddha position, so it's pretty awesome. So all the kids are upstairs now, they're all asleep, trying to get an early night really, because hopefully we'll be up quite early tomorrow to get out on the roads, see if we can get to school. And it's also World Book Day tomorrow, and we've got big plans for Portia, Oscar and Alfie. Something that's never been done before when it comes to World Book Day in a school. I'm pretty sure of that. The costumes might have been used, but not in the capacity that we're using them at. So fingers crossed, it should be pretty epic that tomorrow if we manage to get to school. If not, we'll just show you what we had in store. And then obviously the kids will probably be out again playing in the snow, but I'm praying that we'll be able to get them in school tomorrow, because they want to go to school. This is the thing. When they spend too much time at home, they want to go to school, and they've basically just had a week off. So they really do need to get back into school, because the brains are like sponges, aren't they? And at the minute, ours have been drained out, so they need absorbing again. So as you can see, there's no letting up in this whatsoever. It's still brutal outside. In fact, there's fresh snow down again. So it's just getting heavier and heavier. This car before it had no snow in it at all. And look at it now. It's just thick with snow. It really is. So I'm hoping that we're going to be able to get to school tomorrow, but something's telling me that we probably won't be, which is going to be a shame, because this will be the second year in a row that they've missed World Book Day. But still, these things can't be helped, can they? I just wish it'd go away now. I wish the beast from the east had carry on going east, or go back east. Anyway, so we're going to end it now, guys. Do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you're not already, make sure you share the video, make sure you leave a comment, we always get back to you, and we will see you guys tomorrow, because we do this every single day.